channel. So tomorrow's the first day of spring and it's almost Easter. And this year we're gonna do something different. We're gonna color our eggs by using food coloring and shaving cream. And what we'll need is shaving cream, boiled eggs, gloves, food coloring of your choice, and something to put the eggs on. We'll start with the shaving cream, but first we have to shake it. And then, after we're done shaking it, we're gonna put it in here. Yeah. I think I gotta shake it a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I think that would be enough. Okay, so now we're gonna put the food coloring, and it's your choice to pick what color you like. I'm gonna open my colors, and then I'm gonna put them in to each corner, and which colors I would like. Whoa, look at that coolness. It's all like spreading. Whoa. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? And then I'm gonna add more colors. Now I'm going to put my eggs in here. It's easier to grab them. Now the messy part. Make sure to put your gloves on. So we're going to grab our egg and not push them to the bottom. We're gonna just slide them gently at the top. Look at how messy that is. Now we're gonna put it somewhere to dry. Now we have to leave it for 30 minutes. But look at how cool this is. Look at that. Look at my gloves. I think I've got to wash off. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot. Do not throw your shaving cream out because in the next video, we're going to do some art with it. And I'm back. It's been 30 minutes and now we're going to dry them off. So we're going to use a napkin. Oh, and we'll need gloves. Now we're putting the napkin in one hand, and then grabbing an egg and gently wipe it. This is not comfortable with gloves. I'm gonna get my hands all dirty. There, I'm done one egg.
Let's see. That's beautiful.
Now the next egg. This takes a little while, so I'll get back to you and show you the results when I'm done. This is the end result. Now, Mom, which one's your favorite?
I think I like the one in the middle.
Yeah, that one's pretty. I probably like this one or this one because it reminds me it's kind of like a sunset.
Yeah, they're actually really cool.
And this one kind of looks like a rainbow. Right here.
Some nice bright colors, Isabel. That was fun.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy doing it?
Yeah! I did mention, don't throw your shaving cream out because this is what we made with the leftover shaving cream. Now if you want to watch how to make these, watch our next video. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe and